hot today. Temperatures, highs into the middle 90s. That heat index is what gets you, though. You factor in the humidity, and it makes it feel like it's closer to 97 or 98 degrees in some cases, more than 100 degrees. The sinking air in the atmosphere has kept most of us dry, though Storm Track Doppler radar has a few thunderstorms that have developed out near the Choctaw County line, moving in the direction of French Camp. You'll have some rainfall, a little bit of lightning and thunder with that, but not a ton of it. That's probably within about the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. It's on your doorstep. A growing coverage moving into Grenada County, north of Winona there, also into Yalobusha County near Water Valley and Coffeyville. They're fairly small showers. They're not going to be terribly long lasting. And when you compare to the entire viewing area, just that one little strip, less than 20%, which is why when we look at your hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow and you see no percentages, your rain chance isn't zero. It's just you would have to be one of the very lucky or unlucky ones, meaning maybe a couple pop-ups, but we're talking maybe only 5 or 6% coverage of those storms as we go toward tomorrow in the afternoon, with high temperatures expected to be into the middle 90s once again. As we track the tropics this evening, we're tracking Bill, tropical storm, but going through a weakening phase. And the main impact with this, not the strong wind speeds, still 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds out of that, but the fact that it's going to drop a ton of rainfall. The movement slowing down. That's not a good sign. It needs to keep moving to keep from causing flooding rainfall. But you can see all of this moisture here, that's what we call the moisture plume, all associated with Bill. And so this moisture plume, to a certain extent, could be directed toward us. What's keeping it away for now, this ridge of high pressure. That's deflecting the moisture. But that's also associated with sinking air. So the combination is why we're staying fairly dry to this point. But we do expect that this is going to follow the edge of that high and get pretty close to us as we go toward the latter part of this week. So that ridge of high pressure overhead now, keeping us mainly dry into tomorrow, obviously into the overnight hours, with Bill wreaking havoc flooding rainfall-wise to our west. Maybe a couple rogue pop-ups tomorrow in the afternoon, but you'll notice we are much more dry than to our west, to our east, to our north. The greatest effects of the sinking air with that storm system. So high pressure gives temperatures. It'll be hot for tomorrow. Normal should be 89. We're middle 90s. The heat index up around 98 or 99 degrees, just every bit as stifling, if not more, than what it was for today. I want you to watch Bill, though. Important because you'll note, here's the center of Bill back in Oklahoma. Notice it's storing rain showers all the way into central Arkansas. So the moisture with this is always greater to the east of the track, or at least would be in this situation for us. And so you could see lots of showers and thunderstorms through Arkansas through your Thursday. And it's possible that if this slides just a little farther south, and it's possible that with the official track that could happen by the latter part of this week, that our rain chances would increase, which is why we look at your 7-day forecast. We take them up to around 20%, a few showers possible on the edges of Bill for your Thursday, and a greater likelihood for your Friday and Saturday. But at this point, it's just speculation. If Bill takes more of a northerly track, the high winds, temperatures will be warmer, and the coverage of rainfall less. That's something, of course, we're talking about at WTVA.com. Tonight's Color of the Weather winner this evening from Pontotoc, Jasmine Hamilton there. A beautiful picture, a little bit of wind. It looks like everyone enjoying those partly cloudy skies. Stay in the shade from those clouds or inside. That'll help. More news coming up after this.